Hey guys, it's me Ranabat and welcome to my YouTube channel for today's vlog. And isasama ko kayo guys kasi for today, since birthday ni Kuya nung Friday, today is magsiswimming kami. So ayun guys, isasama ko kayo sa aking travel vlog today. So ayun yung aking OOTD guys. Mesh top lang siya and sa loob is may black lang ako na ayan, parang crop top. Then yung sa baba ko is, ayan, high-waist shirt lang siya, guys. Ayan. So, i-update ko na lang kayo later, guys, kasi maya-maya is, aalis na kami. So, see you later! So, hey guys! We are now arrived at Chestos Eco Park. So, ayan guys. So, papasok na kami maya. So, update ko na kayo later. So, ayan guys. We're na ready na nila yung food. Nag-ready na sila. Ayan. Ang aming food. Hi, RR! Yan guys. Yan yung pambam. So, ayan guys, naliligo na sila mama and sila RR. RR! Ayan guys. Mama! Naliligo na sila. So, later na lang. So, ayan guys, pupunta kami doon. So, samahan niyo ako. Ayan.
at Chester's Eco Park.
So, hey guys, we're done swimming. So, ayan, nakabihis na ako. Yan yung pang-uwi ko, guys. And high-waisted short. Ayan, and may jacket ako. So, ngayon, guys, nag-get ready ako. So, balikin ko na kayo later pag done ako mag-get ready. So, ayan guys. Ayan, nakapagbihis na ako and we're about to leave. Uwi na kami guys. Ayan. Hindi ko na kayo na-tour kanina kasi nga nag-enjoy na kami. So, ayan guys. But, i-insert ko na yung mga picture namin kanina. So, ayan guys. I think i-close ko na yung vlog. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Please subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Be good. Bye-bye. Takpan mo na.